Here's how to start Forex trading with just $10 in 2025. Most people think that you need thousands of dollars in your account before you can start trading Forex. But the truth is, you can start trading Forex with as little as $10. Yes, just $10. You can right now open an account and deposit $10 and start trading. The barriers of entry for Forex trading is very low. In this video, I'm going to give you all the tools that you need to start trading Forex as a complete beginner with as little as $10. I've been trading Forex for over 5 years now, and I can tell you that Forex trading is one of the best way, if not the best way, to make money online. I made over $3,000 when I was just 18 years old here in Nigeria, when most of my mates were still in university studying for a degree. Over the years, I've been through the ups and downs to get to the point that I am now, 21 years old, financially free, never having to work a 9 to 5. And by the grace of God, being here today, I can guide you on your own journey on starting to learn how to trade Forex. So it doesn't have to take you 5 years before you can get this down. It took me over 5 years because I didn't have anyone to guide me. Basically, there are only 4 things that you need to get started trading Forex. The first thing that you need to do is you need to download a couple of apps. You need to download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Anyone that you choose is up to you. They are like the same thing. One is just a newer version of the other. And then once you download MetaTrader 5, you need to download and sign up for a broker. Now you need to sign up for a reliable broker because there are a lot of brokers out there. One of the brokers that I can recommend for you is Exness. Exness is one of the top leading brokers in Africa. If you want to create an account with them, click the link below. Once you create an account with them, all you have to do is verify the account, deposit a minimum of $10, and you can start trading Forex. You can deposit more than that, but the minimum is $10. So if you want to create a trading account, click the link in the description below. Once you've created an account, you have to connect your broker account to your MetaTrader. That's how it works. You go to your platform, to your broker, and they'll give you login details. Once you've created the account, they'll give you login details. They'll give you the login and the password. You carry that login and the password and go to your MetaTrader and select the broker that you created the account with. Select the broker, the server, and then put in the login details that the broker gave you, and then you're going to see your account balance on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. The second thing that you will need to start trading Forex that will actually speed up the process for you is to find a mentor. When I was starting out, I didn't have someone guiding me personally, guiding me and mentoring me or showing me how to do things. I had to just go on YouTube to the wild world, the wild west, and start looking for things, filtering out the good and the bad, and then trying to make sense of things that I see out there. And then that's how I started trading Forex, and that's why it took me a lot of time. If you want to fast forward your own process and speed up the process, I would recommend that you find a mentor. Now, there are a lot of people, there are a lot of Forex traders out there that could mentor you, but no one's going to mentor you for free. I see people messaging me, telling me to mentor them for free. That doesn't make any sense. So you're not going to find any mentorship for free. So there are 2 things you can do. You can either go for a mentorship if you have the money to pay for a mentorship, or go the route that I went through, which is going to take you a longer time to get through it. When I first started trading Forex, I had to go on YouTube and then start jumping I'll learn from this side, gather the videos and try to make sense of things. But what I've done for you right now is I've structured the videos step by step, making it easy for you. So you can just go through them step by step. So if you want to learn from me, you want to learn how to trade Forex as a complete beginner from me, I have a beginner Forex trading course. Click the link in the description below to get started. The third thing that you need to have is you need to have a trading strategy. If you don't have a trading strategy, then there's nothing you're even doing inside Forex. Just quit. There's nothing to do inside here. If you don't have a trading strategy, you need to get a trading strategy. We can't trade Forex profitably without the trading strategy. The biggest mistake that I made when I was starting out was jumping from one trading strategy to another. Now I need you to learn from my mistake. I'm telling you this so you don't make the same mistake that I did, and that cost me years of wasted time and effort and wasted money, which is why I'm making this video here for you. If you want to learn my trading strategy, the trading strategy that I have, I can tell you plainly, my trading strategy has a 65% win rate and a 1 to 2 and a 1 to 3 risk to reward. I know I have the data for I have the backtested data and everything. It's a no BS, straight to the point trading strategy. It's going to show you where to buy, where to sell, how to enter the market. If you want to learn my trading strategy, I have a bunch of videos for free on my YouTube that you can use to learn. If you want a more in-depth breakdown of my trading strategy, where I teach everything I know about the trading strategy, once you go through this course, the way you're going to look at the markets, you're going to look at the markets in a completely different way. I guarantee you're 100%. If you're interested in learning my trading strategy, click the link below. Because I can't do everything in one video, I'll be posting more videos frequently on my YouTube channel and other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, teaching you and guiding you on how to trade Forex, both for beginners and advanced. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any uploads. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Peace.